Hello everyone, this is Kevin Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on my media channel as we unbox and discuss the first Slam Dunk. Now, this is a very good movie, way better than you might anticipate. Now granted, Slam Dunk is a classic anime and manga series, although its popularity in America has always been spotty at best. Well, the creator of the manga decided to direct a movie of Slam Dunk, focused it on a character that did not get a lot of personal time in the manga, so he could basically make it a standalone feature while still creating references for the other characters for longtime fans to enjoy. Now, I'm not entirely sure why, but GKids decided to pick this up and release it in theaters, which is where I saw it, and I have to admit, on the big screen, this was pretty fabulous. Like, the basketball scenes were some of the best basketball scenes I've seen in any motion picture, animated or live action. It did okay. I mean, I don't think they were expecting a whole lot, but it did get great reviews, so the people who saw it loved it. It's just a shame not a lot of people saw it. Now, they have released it on Blu-ray. As you can see, there's no digital copy, and as far as I'm aware, there is no 4K release coming at this moment in time. So if you want to own it on physical media, this is probably the best it's going to be. And as you can see, the first shipment comes with a collectible sticker, which means in the future I'll probably be crying opening this because people love their collectible stickers, and once this thing is opened and if that thing is used, that sticker is going to make this release very valuable down the line, just mark my words. So you go to the side and they have a basketball on the side. That's pretty cool. You go to the back, they show the characters and the huddling. That's fine. I mean, they're not hiding the fact that this is a basketball movie, and surely enough, the basketball scenes are probably the highlight. And then we have some special features. We have trailers and teasers. There's an interview with the director. They have a feature for the dub actors, which is always kind of nice, and a color commentary with the English dub team. I don't know what a color commentary is, but I'm sure it's not too different from a regular commentary. As you can see, it's not like the front is glossy or anything. It's just a typical cardboard slip. So when you don't have it, it doesn't necessarily change the optics of anything. Now let's open this up. Let's see what the disc looks like, because GKids tends to have actual artwork on their disc, so that's kind of fun. And let's see what this sticker is that will probably, well, it would have made this release valuable in the future. Now it's open, so oh well, what could you do? So it's a set of stickers actually, and that's kind of cool. They have the numbers for all the characters as well as the title of the movie. That's cool. Yeah, that makes sense. Just make it a basketball. Make it a basketball, and on the back image show the basketball court. And actually, what I like about this is, like, this is appropriately placed on the inside because this flashback is where the heart of the movie is. So on the front, they're advertising the basketball aspect, which is definitely a highlight of the movie. But on the inside, they're hinting that there's something a little bit deeper going on. I like that. And I love, see, cool stuff like this. I wish companies did more cool stuff like this. Thank goodness for GKids. And that is what the first Slam Dunk looks like, at least on the American Blu-ray. Now, again, I think there is a 4K release of this in Japan and in Europe. And if you want it in the best possible image quality, you might want to play the import game. But that being said, there's no guarantee that the dub is there. There's no guarantee you can watch it subtitled. You might have to speak Japanese to gain some appreciation for that release. But if you live in America and you just really want the movie on physical media, this is probably the best it's going to be. And considering how niche of a product the Slam Dunk franchise has always been in America, I consider this release a blessing overall. So I would like to know, how many of you own this? How many of you have seen it? Do you like the movie? I'd love to know. So comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and I'll see you at the movies. Take care.